Welcome back to my channel for another review. This time I'll be reviewing the Minolta MD Rokkor 45mm f2 lens, and as it is a 45mm, I'll be comparing it to the Hasselblad 45mm that I also own, which is an f4 lens. So let's get on with the video. So what do I like about this lens? Well, the sharpness of it is pretty good already in the center at f2, and most of the frame is also pretty good from f5.6. The center is very sharp at this aperture, but it has no vignetting, and that's one of the main things about this. And it's also very compact, almost a pancake lens, which is also very nice. But I also like the colors of this lens. But then what is to dislike about it? Well, the corners never get really sharp, and that's not very good. And it has chromatic aberration which is very visible. Also the colors and contrast is diminishing when you expose it to direct light. And it has flaring and ghosting also in direct light. But it can be used for creative purposes, of course. And then a small barrel distortion is also visible. If we then compare it to the Hasselblad lens and take it point by point, center sharpness wide open. Well, the Hasselblad is a clear winner, even if we compare the both at f4. Center sharpness at f8 is almost a draw between these, and that's quite amazing for that old lens to sort of could compare with the Hasselblad lens. Corner sharpness wide open, it's a clear winner for the Hasselblad. It's pretty sharp already wide open, whereas the Minolta it definitely not is. And overall sharpness is also very good on the Hasselblad lens, no matter what aperture you use, and that's not the case with the Minolta lens. The Hasselblad lens has no distortion, so again a clear winner, because there's barrel distortion on the Minolta. And vignetting, although it's quite a little amount, it's still a winning point for the Hasselblad lens. And the contrast is much better on the Hasselblad lens. And sun flaring, well, there's almost none to see, and there's a lot on the Minolta lens. So I hope you liked the review and the comparison between the Minolta 45mm and the Hasselblad 45mm. At least I liked shooting with the Minolta lens and comparing it to the Hasselblad. So it's quite a fun task for me to have this exact same focal lens to compare with. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos from my side. Thank you very much for this time, and bye for now.